Aloha Basties! Dahil nakikrave ako ng empanada, gagawa ko ng sarili kong Ilocos Empanada. Tara! Let's go! Here are my ingredients for today. I have Ilocos longganisa. Siyempre, gagamit tayo ng papaya. Green papaya. Make sure na hindi siya hinog. In replacement for munggo, gagamit naman ako ng bean sprouts. And syempre, hindi mawawala ang ating annatto powder. Yan yung nagbibigay ng iconic orange color ng ating Ilocos Empanada shells. And syempre, gagamit tayo ng itlog. Gagawin natin extra special ang ating empanadas. Let's make Ilocos Empanada. So, babalatan ko lang to. Hinog na siya. Hinog na ang papaya. Oh, Diyos ko. Yung papa ko magaling siya magbalat ng papaya. Naku, hinog na nga. Hinog na. I don't know. I don't think I could use this one.
A few moments later.
I had to do a quick grocery run to get green papaya. And ang swerte ko kasi mag-isa na lang to. Hindi ganun kaganda ang itsura at may kumurot pa. Pero magiging choosy pa ba tayo? Ito na lang ang nag-iisang green papaya. Diyos ko, ang hirap magbalat. Ayan, oh my gosh, okay, ayan na. Officially, hindi siya hinog. Ito yung kanina. Ayan. Diba? We already peeled our green papaya. Cut it lengthwise. So, expose na yung seeds. Ang gagawin lang dito is scrape mo siya para maalis yung buto. Okay, so once the papaya has been grated, transfer natin siya sa bowl and ibablanch natin siya with hot water. So, pagkatapos ma-blanch ng ating papaya, in-strain ko lang yung excess water. So, pipigaan lang natin itong papaya para maalis lang yung extra moisture niya. Tapos, in a pan, lulutuin lang natin yung ating Ilocos longganisa. So, nilagyan ko lang siya ng konting boiling water. Lulutuin lang natin yan hanggang mag-evaporate yung tubig. Ayan, so I think okay na to. Add paper towel to absorb excess oil ng ating longganisa. Okay, so nandito na tayo sa portion ng paggawa ng empanada dough. Papakulo lang tayo ng 2 cups ng water. So I'm already using pre-boiled water from our kettle para mas mapadali ang ating buhay. Maglalagay na tayo ng annatto powder. So around 2 tablespoon ang ilalagay natin. Maglalagay din ako ng konting asin, paminta. Maglalagay din ako ng chicken powder. Dagdagan natin ng asin. Tapos, oil, 2 tablespoon. Hahaluin ko lang yan. Tapos, hintayin natin siyang kumulo. So, mag-ingat na lang kayo kapag gumagawa kayo ng ganito kasi nakaka-mancha siya ng damit. Okay, since kumukulo na siya, okay na yan. So, ito na yung exciting part. Ilalagay na natin ang ating rice flour. So, this is 285 grams. Gagamit lang tayo ng around 200 grams dito. So, ihahalo ko lang siya. So, imimix lang natin yung flour. So, the flame has been turned off. Wala nang init yan. So, ganito yung consistency ng ating dough. Pagkatapos natin siyang i-mix and i-fold with our wet mixture. So, papalamigin lang natin to and then i-start na natin siyang imasa. Sinison lang natin itong grated papaya with chicken bouillon or chicken powder, salt, tsaka paminta. Tsaka i-mix lang natin yan. Okay, it's time to make our dough. So, ito na yung na-fold natin na dough. Imamasa pa natin yan.
during the testing or something. Else was on his ass or something. Could be nuance or something. So maybe I believe in all of it. He's the only one that really calls me all the time. Okay, I'll leave you be some if you want.
And then you can see right balance of the vegetables, the longganisa, and the egg. And here we go, our empanada. Wow, it's so good. Ang sarap. Well seasoned, very balanced. And the thickness of the dough, oh my gosh, I'm pretty proud of myself for doing that. Look at that. It's not too thick. I used to think that it's very expensive, but you know, with the amount of work that's dedicated into doing these, the price is right. It's a hard task to do. But yeah, it's been a journey. Thank you so much for joining me. Bye, Basties.